Let's look at pneumonia. Pneumonia in ICU isn't just a bad cough, but it is your lungs filling up with gunk. Pneumonia is infection in your lungs. The air sac in your lungs is filled with fluid and pus instead of air. In ICU, we see two types of pneumonia, community-acquired pneumonia and ventilated-acquired pneumonia. But there's also hospital-acquired pneumonia. Some of the red flags are fever, fast breathing, low oxygen, cough, and colored sputum, also crackles in your lungs. On the x-ray, it will show white where lungs should be showing black. We start antibiotics very fast. The doctors will order antibiotics in order to get rid of that infection. We'll give oxygen and help you clear the secretions. If breathing fails, we put a breathing tube in and place you on a ventilator in order to rest your lungs. Pneumonia kills when it is late. If you're short of breath and have a fever, do not wait. Follow me for more ICU topics in plain English as the ICU nurse explains. Please like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye.